Welcome to our comprehensive guide on navigating the Metaverse Land Marketplace in 2024. The Metaverse is a rapidly growing virtual world that's becoming increasingly popular, and investing in virtual land is becoming an attractive opportunity for many. In this guide, we will cover everything you need to know as a beginner to successfully enter and thrive in the Metaverse Land Marketplace. Before diving into the land marketplace, it's essential to grasp the concept of the Metaverse. The Metaverse is a collective virtual shared space where users can interact with each other and digital assets. It's an immersive, persistent, and interconnected environment that continues to evolve. Various platforms make up the Metaverse, each with its unique features and characteristics. Some popular platforms include Decentraland, The Sandbox, CryptoVoxels, Somnium Space, and others. Research these platforms to understand their strengths, weaknesses, and target audiences. Virtual land in the Metaverse can be purchased, sold, and developed, similar to real estate in the physical world. The value of virtual land depends on factors like location, amenities, and demand from users. As you research platforms, pay attention to how virtual land is valued and traded within each ecosystem. Before entering the Metaverse Land Marketplace, establish a budget and investment goals. Are you looking for a long-term investment, a short-term profit, or a space for personal use? Your goals will help you make informed decisions when buying and selling virtual land. To participate in the Metaverse Land Marketplace, you'll need a digital wallet to store and manage your cryptocurrency assets. Popular wallets include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. You'll also need to acquire the native cryptocurrencies used in the platforms you're interested in, such as Mana for Decentral or Sand for the Sandbox. To buy and sell virtual land in the Metaverse, you'll need to understand the marketplaces and listings associated with each platform. Each platform has its official marketplace where users can buy, sell, and trade virtual land. Some examples include the Decentraland Marketplace, the Sandbox's Marketplace, and CryptoVoxels land sales page. Before making any investment decisions, research the virtual land you're interested in. Factors to consider include location, nearby attractions, land size, and any existing development on the plot. Utilize resources such as forums, social media groups, and real-time data from the marketplaces to stay updated on trends and opportunities. Stay informed about the Metaverse, land market trends, and news to make informed decisions. Follow relevant social media accounts, join online communities, and subscribe to newsletters to stay up to date with the latest developments. Once you've done your research and feel confident in your choice, proceed to make your first purchase. Connect your digital wallet to the platform's marketplace, convert your crypto assets to their acquired currency, and complete the transaction. Remember to double-check all details before finalizing the purchase. After acquiring virtual land, you can either hold it as an investment, develop it for personal use, or rent it out to others. Each platform offers tools and resources to help you build, design, and manage your virtual property. Engage with the Metaverse community to learn best practices and explore opportunities for your land. As you gain experience in the Metaverse Land Marketplace, regularly review your investment strategy. Adjust your approach based on market trends, your goals, and any changes in the platforms you're invested in. Continuously educate yourself and stay connected with the Metaverse community to make informed decisions. The Metaverse Land Marketplace presents a unique and exciting opportunity for beginners to invest in the rapidly growing virtual world. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be well equipped to navigate the Metaverse, make informed decisions, and build a successful virtual real estate portfolio. Remember to always prioritize safety, research, and engagement with the Metaverse community to ensure a positive and profitable experience.